In this video, I'm going to tell you how to write a blog post. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Don't forget to tell me in the comments under the video what problem you are experiencing. If you would like me to create any videos for you on any topics, tell me in the comments under the video. When you create a blog, you have the opportunity to dive deep into your favourite topics, highlight your expertise and build a community of readers interested in your work. Whether you want to start a blog from scratch or make blogging part of your business strategy, publishing content online is an effective way to share your knowledge and ideas with the world. With that said, composing a winning entry takes practice. In this video, you'll learn how to write the perfect blog post, from choosing the right blog topics and picking the proper format for your articles, to selecting strategic images that generate interest and engagement. Keep watching this video so you'll have a clear idea of how to create strong blog content that effectively communicates your ideas and stands out from other articles on the web. Here are some strategies on how to write a blog post. Number 1. Brainstorm blog topics. When writing a blog post, whether you're guest posting for someone else or writing for your own blog, you'll want to cover topics that bring value to your readers and fall in line with their interests, as well as your own. Rather than trying to find the perfect topic right away, start by jotting down different ideas that come to your mind. There are several places you can look to spark new topic ideas. Browse other blogs within your niche. If you're starting a travel blog, for example, simply Google travel blog to see what your competitors are writing about. You can also do these things. Use Google Trends to find out which topics are trending. Look for current events and recent news stories related to your field. Find out what people enjoy learning about by browsing online courses on Udemy, Skillshare, and LinkedIn Learning. Once you find some interesting ideas online, think about the unique ways you can approach those topics. Consider the various ways you can play around with topic ideas to come up with something that isn't only trendy and relevant, but that's also original and fresh. Let's say, for instance, that you want to write about chocolate chip cookies. There are a few different angles you might consider taking here. A how-to post that instructs readers how to do something with clearly ordered steps. For example, how to bake chocolate chip cookies from scratch. A curated list that offers a set of recommendations for your readers. For example, the top chocolate chip cookie recipes. Here are some more. A tips and advice post that provides expert guidance and resources. For example, tips for making homemade chocolate chip cookies extra gooey. A definition-based blog post that helps explain the meaning of a term or topic. For example, what are no-bake chocolate chip cookies? Let's have a look at a few more ways to write a post. A top trends article that highlights what's currently popular. For example, the best chocolate chip cookie recipes from this year. A personal or business update that lets you unveil something fresh or recently unknown. For example, my new chocolate chip cookie recipe revealed. Number 2. Refine your topic with keyword research. Part of writing a blog post involves keyword research. This crucial SEO practice is used as a marker to see which terms you can potentially rank high for in certain online searches. Once you've chosen a direction for your blog post, you'll need to figure out the chances of its success on search engine result pages, which ultimately means getting more eyes on your content. In order to succeed, conduct keyword research to find the most relevant queries for your topic. You can find keywords for your own articles by using various keyword research tools. If you're new to blogging, you'll probably want to start with free tools such as Answer the Public, Ubersuggest, and Google Keyword Planner. Afterwards, you may want to upgrade to more advanced tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs. While conducting keyword research, keep in mind that the more specific the phrase, the more closely it will match your audience's intent. On the other hand, broader keywords tend to have higher search volumes, meaning more people are searching for them each month. Think about the benefits of opting for a broader phrase like chocolate chip cookies over a more precise phrase like how to make chocolate chip cookies. Choosing the right keywords means striking a balance between high search volume and high intent. Once you've selected your keywords, you can use them to shape the structure of your content. Google those phrases to find out which articles have successfully targeted those same keywords, and spend some time browsing their content. This will give you inspiration for your own article in terms of what to include and how to structure it. Number 3, define your audience. Now that you know what you'll be writing about, you need to find out who you're writing for. Anticipating the kinds of people who will be reading your posts will help you create content that is interesting, engaging, and shareable. Of course, your audience largely depends on your type of blog. If you run a baking blog, you'll probably be writing for an audience of people who love baking and are seeking recipe inspiration. Even more specifically, if you run a healthy baking blog, you'll be writing for people who similarly love baking but who want to make their culinary creations healthier. It's important to keep these nuances in mind when crafting your content, since your goal is to write articles that resonate strongly with readers. So, how do you figure out your audience in the first place? Start by taking another look at the other blogs in your field. Consider who they seem to be writing for, and the kinds of assumptions they're making about their readers' interests and lifestyles. For example, you might find that most of the blogs address a particular gender or age group. You can also use online forums to find the main questions asked by your audience, or visit Facebook groups to read what topics they like or talk about. This will help you create content that piques their interest, sparks their curiosity, and answers their questions. Number 4, create an organized outline. The key to learning how to write a blog post is doing thorough research and planning before you create the article itself. After deciding on the topic and blog format, you'll need to build the mold for your content. Creating an outline is critical as it ensures your article will have a strong foundation that you can build on as you write your blog post. Start by creating subheaders, which are the backbone of an organized outline. These small but mighty pieces of content help you break down your article into bite-sized sections, making it easier for you to write and more digestible for people to read. Number 5, write engaging content. Now that you've sketched out the blog post, you can begin typing away. Keep in mind that blog posts, like many other types of writing, typically include 3 main elements: an introduction, the body text, and a conclusion. Let's start with the introduction. In the first few sentences of your article, you should already grab your reader's attention. Begin with a relevant quote or statistic, tell a short story, or share an interesting fact. Then, set the tone for the article by sharing a brief summary of what you're going to talk about in the body text. This gives your readers a reason to keep going. Next, fill in the body text. In your outline, these are the bullet points beneath each subheader. This is the meat of your blog post, so it should be clear and compelling. Avoid fluff and repetition and instead offer deep value by sharing your knowledge, research, and insights. A concluding section isn't always necessary. In fact, our blog rarely uses one, but it can be useful in the case of storytelling or when wrapping up a very extensive article. You can tie your main points together using a short bulleted list, or by sharing some closing thoughts in a few sentences. No matter the case, you'll want to end on an engaging note. Number 6, create an irresistible headline. When writing a blog post, you don't only need strong content, you also want a powerful headline. A great headline entices readers and enhances your blog design, ensuring that they actually click on your article in the first place. Learning how to write a catchy blog title doesn't have to be hard. All you need to do is keep the following points in mind: clarity, specificity, and offering an answer or a solution. So, the next thing to do, if you want help starting or growing your online business, click the link in the description box under the video now and go to our partner website, internetbusinessschool.co.uk, and you can have a look at all of the online training courses available. It is a fantastic resource which is going to help you and give you all of the training and resources you need and put you ahead of the competition. Please give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be notified straight away as soon as I upload new content. Thank you very much. And don't forget to connect with us on Facebook. I have put the Facebook page link in the description box below this video. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next video.